Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Place. So let's start our current affairs of October 16th, 2021. So on this day, it is celebrated as World Food Day. It is observed on 16th October to inspire people about healthy diets. And also, it is celebrated as World Anesthesia Day. It is celebrated on October 16 to mark the first successful demonstration of diethyl ether anesthesia in 1846. Going to the current affairs, the first question is, who among the following becomes India's 21st woman Grand Master? The options are A. Divya Deshmukh, B. Rishika Deshmukh, C. Janelia Deshmukh, and D. Harini Deshmukh. The correct answer is A. Divya Deshmukh. Divya Deshmukh becomes India's 21st woman Grand Master. And the second question is, who among the following was roped in as brand ambassador for Infinity Learn? The options are A. Virat Kohli, B. Rishabh Pant, C. Rohit Sharma, and D. Shardul Thakur. The correct answer is C. Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma was roped in as brand ambassador for Infinity Learn. The third question is, who among the following is on board as brand ambassador of Ballebazi.com? The options are A. Yuvraj Singh, B. Irfan Pathan, C. Virendra Sehwag, and D. Zaheer Khan. The correct answer is D. Zaheer Khan. Zaheer Khan is on board as brand ambassador of Ballebazi.com. The fourth question is, who among the following becomes the joint sixth highest goal scorer in the world with 79 goals? The options are A. Mbappe, B. Sunil Chetri, C. Pele, and D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Sunil Chetri. Sunil Chetri becomes the joint sixth highest goal scorer in the world with 79 goals. Sunil Chetri breaks Brazilian legend Pele's international record 77 goals. Sunil Chetri breaks Pele's record in 3-1 win against Maldives in SAFF 2021. Indian skipper is now the third highest active international goal scorer. The fifth question is, who among the following becomes oldest person to reach space? The options are A. Will Smith, B. William Shatner, C. Nick Jonas, and D. Trey Smith. And the correct answer is B. William Shatner. Star Trek actor William Shatner at the age of 90 becomes oldest person to reach space. William Shatner, who starred in TV's original Star Trek, from 1966 to 1969 and appeared in a string of Star Trek movies, went to space at 90. Shatner was one of 4 passengers to journey for 10 minutes 17 seconds. Having travelled about 65.8 miles, that is 106 kilometers above the Earth's surface, higher than the internationally recognized boundary of space, Kármán line, that is 62 miles, which is also 100 kilometers. It marked the second space tourism flight for Blue Origin, founded 2 decades ago. And the sixth question is, what is the rank of India in the 58th edition of EY's RIKAI? The options are A. First position, B. Second position, C. Third position, and D. Fourth position. And the correct answer is C. Third position. India has been ranked at the third position in the 58th edition of EY's RECAI. US has been ranked first, China has been placed at second place on the RIKAI index. RECAI is nothing but Renewable Energy Country Attractiveness Index. And the seventh question is, who among the following have launched the Climate Resilience Information System and Planning CRISP-M? The options are A. Himanta Biswa Sharma, B. Basavaraj Bommai, C. Arvind Kejriwal, and D. Giriraj Singh. And the correct answer is D. Giriraj Singh. Giriraj Singh launched the Climate Resilience Information System and Planning CRISP-M to integrate the climate information in the GIS based watershed planning under the MGNREGA. This tool was developed with the help of British government and all the stakeholders. And the eighth question is, in which of the following city India's Atal Community Innovation Center was launched? The options are A. Gandhinagar, B. Jaipur, C. Srinagar, and D. Bhubaneswar. The correct answer is B. Jaipur. In Jaipur, India's Atal Community Innovation Center was launched. And going to national updates, Government of India has increased the upper limit of legal abortion to 24 weeks. For special categories of women, earlier limit of legal abortion was 20 weeks. Government of India will be boosting its per day coal production from 1.94 million to 2 million tons. More Rafale fighters arrived in Jamnagar, Gujarat on October 13 from France. With these 3 fighters, Indian Air Force now has 29 of the 36 Rafale fighters ordered from France. India gets re-elected to UN Human Rights Council for 6th term from 2022 to 2024. Countries needed a minimum of 97 votes to get elected to the council. Members of the council serve for a period of 3 years. And a Global Girlhood Report 2021. Save the Children released the Global Girlhood Report 2021, that is Girls' Right in Crisis. West and Central Africa has the highest rate of child marriage in the world. Child marriage kills more than 60 girls a day globally, 26 girls a day in West and Central Africa. Deaths are majorly caused from pregnancy and childbirth resulting from child marriages. And going to the award section, Dr. Adhanom honored the late Henrietta Lacks with a WHO Director General's Award. Award was received at the WHO office in Geneva by Lawrence Lacks' son. The HPV vaccine was developed using Henrietta Lacks cells. In addition to the HPV vaccine, HeLa cells allowed for development of the polio vaccine. Although the cells were taken without her consent and without her knowledge, the cells were mass produced for profit without recognition to her family. Over 50 million metric tons of HeLa cells have been distributed around the world. And coming to the one-liners today, OYO announced it has appointed Deepa Malik as an independent director. Priyanka Kanungo appointed as chairperson of NCPCR for a 3-year term. 17th edition of India-US Joint Military Training Exercise Yudh Abhyas started. Seema Kumari from Jharkhand nominated First Global Student Prize, which is $1 million. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay home, stay safe.